Hey y'all, and welcome back to Texas Decor and More. So in today's video we are working on, yes that's right, you've seen it, you can believe it, laundry. Just pulled these out of the dryer, so we're going to be working on that today. Got to get all this hung up, folded, put up, and then I'm going to take you in here because we're also going to be working in here today as well. So I've already removed, okay, all the sheets. They are currently in the dryer right now. So I've removed the sheets and I'm washing them, and now they're in the dryer. I think I said that. I did. And I want to work specifically, can y'all see that? See all that dust? That's why I removed the sheets, so I don't get the dust all over. See, that's pretty gross. So I don't want to get dust all over my clean sheets. So I remove the sheets so that we can do this. And then, you know, they're all like that. So all of them are like that, unfortunately. So this is going to get a good clean and wipe down in this video. All that's getting wiped down, and we're also going to be working in the bathroom. So let's get motivated. Let's get to it. Let's do it. All right. So here we go. This took about 2 or 3 minutes to complete. Socks, handkerchiefs, underwear. I need to pull out some hangers. This is about five shirts that I need to pull hangers out for. But yeah, that's done. I'm going to go hang them up here directly. So I'm going to go put these away, and I'll be right back with y'all. You can spoil her, but I'm not. Sorry, I'm having a conversation about my cat because she doesn't eat because my husband has her spoiled, and he wants to put all the food in a certain kind of way for her, and I'm not doing all that because, you know what, I have other things to do. So earlier today, this whole basket was full, right? It was all full, so I've washed everything. These are shirts that need to be hung up. Got the hangers out. I've got blue jeans, but what I want to work on in this room right now is the fan that I had showed y'all earlier. Now, it's way later. I want to leave the light on, but I want to turn the fan off. It's way later in the day, y'all. When I started filming, it was like, I don't know, like 9:30 in the morning. And now it's 6 o'clock in the evening. See, the sun's going down. My beautiful sunset. Alright, but we're going to get started on this fan. Okay? Okay. Alright. Yo, what's up? It's cleaning time with Tanya. We're going to be using some Clorox wipes to clean off this fan. If I can get my crazy self up here. Alright, let me move this out of the way. I got all this stuff. I'm going to move out. I'm just going to chunk it over there. Okay. And then I'm going to start on this because it looks really bad because I haven't done it. What?
Let me turn it on.
No, it's on. I've got to clean it. Do you see how bad it is?
That's why we sneezing at night.
Yeah. So I'm cleaning it.
That's gonna go all on the bed.
No, because I've got a wet cloth to get it off. So it's taking everything off with it.
Put your ladder up there and climb up on it.
A ladder?
Stand up, do it.
I don't know if my head's gonna hit the ceiling or not.
Fuck no. Not better.
Oh, wow. Okay. the one time when being short isn't a bad thing. Right? Ew.
Oh, shit.
Do you see that?
I'm gonna die sleeping on the couch.
Here, come get this.
I'll be sleeping on the couch. That shit gonna kill us.
Ew. I don't even know what that is.
Fucking you. Cobweb, that ass.
It's disgusting.
Them old witch cobweb, that
Oh.
ass.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, witchcraft.
It was bad. I'm glad you told me to do this because it was really bad on the top here.
No shit, sure not.
Why you gotta be smart, mouth?
Because I know what I'm talking
While
about.
I'm videoing.
I'm not smart, man. I said, no shit, short lot. Short lot.
Short lock, yeah. One left to go.
That shit clean, finally.
I'm working on it.
I'll bring some flags and put a shine on it.
Why don't you get up here and help instead of giving commentary?
No, that's your job. Why you put it there?
Because there's nothing left in it.
You get them all?
Yeah, I cleaned every single one of them. 5 blades. Alright, y'all. Now I have to attempt to get down from this fun times thing I'm doing right now. Okay. So now I'm going to turn it back on. Because it's hot in here. Whew. I'm hot. So now we're going to come over here. We're going to get this lit up. I think I need to go ahead and move it up, but we'll see. Let's turn this on. I need this button back here. Hang on, y'all. Hang on. I got it. See? My Halloween lights. I like looking at this at night with my light over here, but I still need to put
Oh, put on the internet. Then when you
light up
what
on
you get 5 for it?
5 what?
5,000 for that hut.
We're not getting, we just got this.
You don't want to sell it?
Do you?
That's up to you. It's yours.
This is what it looks like without the big kitchen light on. I like it like this at night. Just that, you know, that little cozy, that cozy glow, because it's all about the lighting, y'all. It's all about the lighting. But I'm going to get off of that subject, and we're going to get on to the bathroom. Okay, this is a problem. Can y'all see that? It's pretty gross. I don't know. I don't like it. I don't like it. So we're going to clean it. See how it has all this soap, scum, build up everywhere. We're going to take care of that today. Remove the soap. We're going to get that clean. Take all this out. More things. More things. Look how bad it is. That's been way too long. This has been a long time coming. So we're gonna get this cleaned up really good. One more thing. Problem area. Soap scum. Soap scum. So we're going to be using our handy dandy, oh man, it's not in here. Hang on, y'all. Let me go get what I need. Okay, so for today for the tub, we're going to be using this mango and hibiscus. There you go, focus. Mango and hibiscus shower foamer for the shower. I had used some other stuff, but I didn't like it because it really didn't clean that great. So, we're going to use this instead, y'all. Because it needs it. Spray everything down really good. Y'all see that foaming action? Oh yeah. We're going to get it worked out and clean today.
One hour later.
Alright, so I scrubbed the tub. It looks better. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's better. This right here, I don't know. I still can't get it to come off. But this part looks better. And I've been working on it. Literally, when I say 1 hour later, I wasn't going to make y'all watch me scrub and scrub and scrub. But I wanted to show y'all this area. So, no more soap scum. It's all gone. And I'm going to give it another wipe. Real good. I'm going to wipe that again. And it's pretty clean. Pretty clean. This all came up, but I'm going to give it another wipe. Right there. And now I'm going to be wiping this down. Get all that soap scum off. Make it nice and clean. Now I'm just gonna give this a quick wipe. It's not really dirty, but we're still wiping it. Because we're cleaning today, so we're wiping, we're cleaning. I try to clean this off like once every 2 days. I usually wipe it and clean it, so it's not bad. We're just disinfecting, okay? We're disinfecting today. Alright. Clean sink, clean tub, clean countertops. I'm excited. It smells good in here. Ooh, yeah, it smells nice and clean. Now on to the toilet. I've already sprayed it down with that Lysol stuff. So we're just gonna give this a quick scrubbing and call it a day, y'all. I never can get this yellow ring to come off. I don't know why. Alright. Getting it done.